interested in doing a smile makeover, we use the Snap Dental imaging system. With that system, we take a picture of the patient and we're able to project what the patient might look like when the restorative work is done, even before we pick up a drill or start dental treatment. For patients who may have a bite problem, we're able to analyze that using T-scan computerized analysis. It involves biting on a very thin wafer, records 5 seconds of the patient's bite, and 100 separate recordings teaches us the timing and the sequence in which the teeth meet. If there's a problem, we can show the patient and we can analyze where a slight adjustment may help the teeth meet better. I hope this information has been helpful for you and that you will consider me to be your dentist from now on.